To measure a line in our readout using a single edge probe, we first need to make sure our single edge probe is selected. To do this, we touch the crosshair in our readout, and from the pop-up menu we select single edge. We also want to make sure that our timeout is enabled. Currently it's disabled, so we can touch this top left-hand corner icon to enable it. When there is no X inside this circle, our timeout is enabled. Now to measure the line, we touch the line icon at the bottom of the screen. And I'm going to take 2 points on the left hand side of the part. I'm going to take one here and one here. Remember that the line requires a minimum of 2 points. To finish the measurement, I simply push finish. Here I have my x-axis and my y-axis and the angle of my line to my x-axis. I can touch DRO and I can see this in DRO mode. Here again is the x, the y and the angle to my x-axis direction. I can also view this and I can add tolerancing. Now back to video. What I'm going to do now is measure the same line again, but this time I'm going to measure the line using multiple points. And to do that, I use the multi-edge probe. To select the multi-edge probe, I touch the cross line again, select multi-edge, and I want to verify how many points I'm taking for my multi-edge line. I want to make sure I'm getting at least 50 points. So I touch crosshair again, tool options, and I am taking 60 points. This is acceptable. So I just simply push finish. Now to measure the line, using the multi-edge probe, I touch the line icon at the bottom of the screen. I'm going to take 1 point here at the top. And I'm going to take a point here at the bottom. Then I follow the green arrow and place the green arrow into the red circle until the red circle turns green. Then I let go of the stage, and then the readout takes the 60 points for me. Again, here is my x-axis and my y-axis and my angle to the x-axis direction. I can view this in DRO mode and I can view it in view mode. In view mode, you can see each individual points making up my line. This is a best fit line through 60 points. The 2 red points represent the furthest out and the furthest in points, and that's where my form or my straightness is calculated from. I can tolerance the line. I can add positional tolerancing, parallelism tolerancing, squareness tolerancing or perpendicularity tolerancing, straightness and angle. I'm going to add straightness and parallelism. To do parallelism, I click on the parallelism icon. I key in the zone or the tolerance zone it's to be parallel to. I'll put in 2 microns and I push enter. You see here that this has failed the measurement and the icon is in red. I am now going to add straightness tolerancing, and for this one I'm going to key in 40 microns and push enter, and this is pass tolerance. This is how you inspect lines in the readout.